All right, this morning we're going to talk about how to change the CLIN numbers to match in Corrigo9X. That is, if you run a report, which you learned in another section called the MCOR Daily Timesheet by Team Flat. This gives you a bunch of information, but one specifically, if the CLINs match between the repair category and the original CLIN that was put in as part of creating the ticket. You can see this one I have sorted based on some information that one of my guys, Brian, sent me. And these don't match. The repair category that was put in was incorrect. And he's one of my guys that likes to do this all the time. So once you have the work order number, that makes it the easiest. So it's ORL 204865. I'm going to go back to my Corrigo, and on this one, all I did is put this in 204865 into work order search up here, and it came up. There's two ways. All right, so the first way, just to change the repair code, which I've already done actually on this one, is to come down to completion and verification. This is the code that you put in when you complete it out on your phone. You click that button, and then you would have an opportunity to drop down and change the repair category, and or when you change the repair category, it'll come up with a new repair code. I don't need to change this because it is correct at this point. The other way, and which is more involved, would only generally involve your self-generated tickets. So these are tickets that you create and that are put in the wrong asset category for some reason. And the way you do that is you come up here to work description, and you come over here, and magically this little edit button appears when you roll over it. So you click the edit button and it pulls up this screen. There's a couple of things that you're looking for. This is, we're going to show how to change the category over here, but then you'll always have to come over here to, this is a task area. After you choose one of these, you'll have to put in the correct task. So this little up arrow allows you to go up a level and up a level again. So you'll see here we're under equipment list. That's the main level. Equipment list, we're under HVAC, and we're down here at the fan, which is the correct for this particular work order. But if you wanted to change that, a lot of our things that don't really have a home, you guys put them in location not listed. That is not good because it doesn't create a CLIN number. But all the CLIN numbers have some kind of home in this maintenance shop. So if you wanted to go under a maintenance shop, you could pick a category. O&M area maintenance is one that usually gets misplaced, for lack of a better term. O&M area maintenance is where we do maintenance on our office or on our storage area, or we go and pick up materials. We put that under O&M area maintenance. So I could pick O&M area maintenance, but again, I need to come over here and select the task. So if I'm going to pick up materials, I usually choose this O&M area maintenance various. But there are a lot of other things under here that might apply to whatever you're doing. You know, events is a big one. We have recurring events, and then pick maybe general events tasks, something like that. You can also go to the area of the building, you know, offices, and you would want to drill down as far as you can. Say I'm in office 312. Under 312, it's going to give me a lot of the same things. Maybe I'm fixing the lighting in 312. So over here, it'll give me whatever it is, you know, lights out, routine, non-emergency, those kind of things. All right, so once you've picked all those, you would hit save, and that would then change this to the asset that you're looking for. And you'd want to rerun the flat sheet to see if you got it right. So I'm not going to do that in this video because I'm assuming if you've already seen the flat report, you know how to do that from the other instructions. But this gives you an idea of how to change those CLIN numbers so that they will match up. If you have any questions, please call me directly. Have a good day.